I've been asked to do a testimonial by Amerix Corporation for some of their products. I was really honored when they asked me to do that because I actually use their products in my practice and I've had tremendous outcomes for my patients. I've been really pleased with the compliance and the results that I've had. Amerix has quite a few products, but there are three in particular that I use in my practice. The first one is the Amerigal Saturated Gauze. I've been using that for quite some time. I've used it on my diabetic ulcers. It's had a phenomenal response. I've had patients that have chronic non-healing ulcers that we start using the Amerigal Saturated Gauze and these wounds heal very, very quickly. I have a very, very dear friend who's a local business proprietor here in Chattanooga who's a diabetic who I've had many, many problems with over the years. And he recently started developing some ulcers that I was not able to get closed in the traditional manner that we've done before. And we started using the Amerigal Saturated Gauze. The wound started healing so quickly. When he was running low on the gauze, he would call me over the weekend to make sure that we had some in stock.
I'm a diabetic patient of Dr. Kraus, and Dr. Kraus introduced me to Amerigal gauze. And before it was a hassle, you know, to use the paste, everything like that. But now we use these gauze bandages, and when I wrap my toes, it's the ease and it stays wrapped. And believe it or not, it just heals so much faster with the Amerigals.
The other two products that I use is the Amerigel Cream. I've used that on my postoperative nails and my postoperative wart patients. Back in the day when I started practicing, back in the dark ages, I should say, I used to give my patient a prescription for antibiotic cream, tell them to go buy Band-Aids, tell them to go buy Epsom salt, and you know, they'd have to soak it 3 or 4 times a day and everything would heal uneventfully. But I'd have those patients who weren't compliant. Now I have the Amerigel postoperative kit. It has the cream, the gauze, the Band-Aids. It's a one-stop shop. The patient takes it home with them, better compliance, quicker healing, better outcome. I couldn't ask for more. And the last product I use, it's really kind of my favorite. I call it Amerigel Blue. I don't even know the name of the product. All I know is that on my diabetics, or anybody for that matter, with dry, cracked skin, discoloration, hyperpigmentation in their skin, this cream works miracles. All in all, as I said, it was an honor for me to do this. The products have made a difference in my patients' lives, which makes a difference in my life. So it was my pleasure to do this.